how to turn on or turn off extend unlock with trusted places on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. From here we go down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. After that, tap on extend unlock. Now enter in the current PIN and tap on continued. Then tap on the got it button. Next, tap on trusted places off. So tap on that. And then make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn this on. If you don't turn this on, then you will not be able to use it. It will not work. So you must turn this on. Okay, so tap on use trusted places for extend unlock. After that, you can tap on trusted places. So tap on the setup button, sign in with a PIN or your fingerprint, and then tap on add trusted places. So tap on that and then enter in your address or a location. So here you can manually enter in the address. You can use the map. So tap on choose on map, and the map will use your GPS to locate your current position. You can choose one of the available addresses in your history, and that's it. After that, you tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.